Hi guys, the Bat Hero Gold Blaster. This time we're finally going to have a look at the mechanism that makes the doors open. We've done the steering, we've done the gearbox, and now we're going to see about this little bit. It might pay me to unscrew the lights, just so we've got less bits of wire restricting our movements. Right, so this is what we want to look at. Well, before I take it right off, I'll just have a little look inside the door, if we can get one of them to lift up. So you can see it's got a spring release in there, and then there's a T-shaped piece that's going to turn around and push the doors up, but it's not working. Could be as simple as just well, let's just move this so you can see what I'm doing. Could be as simple as just the gear or whatever it is slipping on the shaft of the motor. Yeah, I reckon that's it. Oh, well, we can see there's a split in that gear. So nail goes right through it. That's all the problem is, I reckon. So if I can find a gear that will replace that, then that'll be it. Just look and see if there's an easier way of getting inside there so we can see what we've got. That screw is going to release that. That might be all we need to do, just so we can get a look inside. It's going to drop out. Yeah. That's the seats. Okay, that's our mechanism. If I can reach in there with something, I'll be able to, yeah. There we go. So, I'll have to go and have a look at my box of gears, see if we've got anything like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 teeth. Right, a random selection of gears. It's the same number of teeth, but it looks a bit smaller shaft. That's a much smaller shaft up the middle of that one. And that one's the other way, that's too big. See, that looks the right size, just the bit in the middle. That's a loose fit, so that's no good. And that one's going to be too tight. Loose. This is a bit frustrating, isn't it? Well, those are some I bought specially for something completely different. No, it's too loose. I really don't want to have to try and print one because PLA is alright for fairly large gears, but when you get that small, it really isn't going to work. And that's 10 teeth. That's not going to fit in there. I really do think we're going to be stuck. I do have another box of gears somewhere. It's not a bad fit. I suppose I don't really want to take that apart, but I probably ought to take it apart so we can see how it works. We'll think about that in a minute. That's one I printed. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's absolutely hopeless, but I'm just looking at the sides where it doesn't look too bad. We might be able to print one. Yeah, all right, we'll think about that. 3D printer gear. So if that's what we're going to do, we will have a look in here anyway. I'll just clear the space and we'll have a look in here and see how it works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.